Oh.
So, what are you doing?
What do you mean by that?
Describe what we're doing here.
We are drawing a picture, which I said previously, while eating an apple, of tulips that I purchased here on the table in the vase.
I'll get the tulips after this. I want to get you drawing.
So we are collaborating. Derek started the picture. And right now, I add the element of the chair.
And how do you think it's going so far? I think it's going kind of neat.
Yeah, I think it's great. I like collaborating. It's fun. You know, two different styles of how artists, creators work. I did this tulip here with the leaf. And then Derek did this tulip. And I think, did you do this shading here?
Mm-hmm.
He did the shading, and I did the shading here.
It was your idea to start the chair.
Huh?
Drawing the chair.
Mm-hmm. Yes. And then I guess I was a little absent-minded. I forgot to put the table in or whatever. And then Derek, well, then I reworked it, added part of the table, and then Derek proceeded further on the other side. So
it's a rainy day, and this is a perfect rainy day activity.
Sure, it's not raining that much.
It's windy and rainy and sappy out there.
It's spitting. Not a heavy downpour.
Cold and windy.
It's actually about 9 degrees.
And it made a nice egg thing for breakfast. It was, I don't know what you call it.
A quiche
Like
baked in the oven.
Like a quiche, but not a quiche. Because a quiche has a crust.
Right, but you
This
can
had
do it
no
without a crust.
This was just egg.
Oh.
But it was in the oven. But it had bacon in it. It was tasty.
Mushrooms, onions,
Yeah.
tomatoes, yellow pepper.
It was very satisfying.
Orange.
It's even better than going to a restaurant anyways. Even though you can't go to restaurants now. But it was better than what you get at a typical restaurant for breakfast.
Definitely.
So that was good. And I made a nice sausage pasta, like with
Last
Italian
night?
sausage yesterday. Mm-hmm. And it was tasty, and
Yeah.
we're making a lot of nice meals at home.
We have no choice.
We had pizza on Friday, homemade pizza. And I can't remember what I made the other day.
Oh, chicken, mustard.
Chicken thighs, deviled chicken thighs with rice. And that was good too. So,
It's very tasty. All right, Derek, it's your turn now.
looking good.